So welcome all of you, my dear viewers, for Ask Dr. Purni series. And today we have an amazing person with us. So this is called my dear sweet Rohan. Okay, he's a future dentist. You can see the beautiful smile he has. He's a future dentist, and he's from our Leadership Academy, and he's completed his Secrets of Success program with us, and now he's also been a coach for 2 years for the Secrets of Success program, and now a part of our Leadership Academy. And we are so happy and delighted to have Rohit with us. And he is here to shoot a lot of questions to me, and I'm there to answer all his questions. Rohit, are you ready?
Ready, coach.
Wonderful. Rohit, over to you. You can start.
Coach, all are saying that their God is in all living being, coach.
Yes.
How, coach?
How is God in all living beings? That is what is your question. Yeah, we are all from God only, no?
Yes, coach.
So that is how he is a part of us.
Coach, he is a one person only, coach. How can he go thousands or million bodies, coach?
Wonderful, wonderful, Rohin. Beautiful question. Now, Rohin, you are one person. Okay. Now you grow up, you become married. Okay, you will get children. They are all whose children?
My children.
Rohin's children. They will have an element of Rohin. Maybe this dimple they will have, or something beautiful from Rohin they will have. Yes?
Yes, coach.
And imagine your children are growing up. They are getting married. Okay. And they have their children. That's your grandchildren. Imagine they also will have a tinge of Rohin in them. Maybe the dimple. Yes. Okay. So that is how, God is the starting point of us. We are all his children. So we have a part of him always. Everyone has a part of him. Did I answer your question now? You're clear now?
Clear, coach.
Wonderful, wonderful. So what is your next question?
Second question. Coach, how do we stuck and how to remove those blockers in attaining God's nature, coach?
Okay, so you have written down all the questions, huh? Wonderful. Got help from your mom and written down the questions, huh? Very nice.
No,
So
coach.
what's that? You wanted to attain God's nature. Are you sure you wanted, Rohin?
Yes, coach.
Why you want to do that? Rohin is so super smart. Why he wants to attain God's nature?
Coach, God nature only. Coach, I can tell in Tamil, coach.
சொல்லுங்க தமிழ்ல சொல்லுங்க.
கோச் கடவுள்னா உயிரே இல்ல கோச்.
Okay.
The God nature படைக்கலனா நம்மள உயிர் வாழ்ந்துக்க முடியாது கோச்.
Okay, tell me what is God's nature according to you?
For me, air, mother nature, trees, water, etc. coach.
Okay, what particularly in that you're seeing as God's nature?
All of this living beings.
Yeah, what particularly, what character in that you're seeing as God's nature?
Seeing happy.
Okay, happiness you see as God's nature. Can Rohin be happy?
Yes, coach.
Can Rohin be happy?
Yes, coach.
Yes. So
yes,
in that
coach.
case, you only focus on how you can always be happy. Then you're attaining God's nature by your own.
Okay, coach.
Okay?
Okay, coach.
Okay. Did you understand, Rohin? Being happy
Yes,
itself is
coach.
going to give you God's nature. So what is your next question?
Next question is, coach, how do you surround? Coach, how do you happy and how do you positive energy and happiness, coach?
Okay, Rohan, tell me what are the things that makes you happy in a day?
கேக்குறது வாங்கி கொடுத்துட்டு தப்புதும் coach.
Oh, what makes you happy? Like, no, don't involve other people. Amma appa vaangi kudukkadhu okay. What makes you happy? What all when you do, see, you can tell that when I do this, I'm happy. What do you say that?
Playing
Okay.
and sleeping, watching TV.
Okay, then.
அவ்வளவுதான் coach.
Okay. So you're happy by all these things, right? Okay, now Rohit, it's the most important thing. Now there are two types of happiness. Okay, two types of happiness. How many types?
2 types.
Yes, two types. One type is called temporary happiness.
Temporary.
Yeah, temporary happiness. Another is called permanent happiness. Okay?
Okay, coach.
Rohit, clear? Two types of
Clear,
happiness. One is what?
Temporary happiness and permanent
Another is?
happiness. Permanent happiness.
Another is permanent. Temporary happiness means for that moment you're happy. Later on, when you think of it, you're not happy.
Coach, permanent means always happy, coach.
Yes, that will give you permanent happiness. Like God is always permanently happy. How?
He is having all the power. He can think means we will go fast to the 10 years or 12 years.
Okay, that's not the main reason. Okay, so so the thing is, like, whenever you focus on your temporary happiness, okay, temporary happiness, can you give me some example of that, where momentarily you are happy, after that you're not happy thinking of that? Example?
Going to Pondi and eating ice cream.
Okay.
That is moment ice cream. That is moment happiness for me.
But in the long term, what will happen?
It will cause fever, like
whatever. Okay, it's not important that it's going to cause fever or something, but you might get sore throat or cold or whatever, something. Okay, but imagine, Rohan. Okay, Rohan, there are a lot of examples for temporary happiness. Example, during this time of study, you slept. While sleeping, you're so happy. Okay, tomorrow is your exam and you slept. You're so happy.
Yes, coach.
Now when you get up, what happens? You piled up so much of questions. Mother will beat.
My mother will. I had told you should read. I had told you should read like that.
Yeah, she will tell. Yeah, she will tell you need to do it. You need to do it. There's lots of pressure for you waiting. So that is all temporary happiness, which will give you later on pain. Imagine you're going out for cinema before an exam. Okay, or you're going to be eating lots of food. Blah 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 blah. Okay, lots of food. And then what will happen to your stomach?
Stomach pain and loose motion.
Yeah. Okay, that is all going to happen. So these are all, temporary happiness, which will give you pain later on. Permanent pain or temporary pain later on. Okay. Rohan, when you're focusing on temporary happiness, it will give you temporary pain or permanent pain. Now, on the other hand, you're talking about permanent happiness, which means that you are actually studying. That time it is little bit of pain. Okay. Yes, but later on, what will happen?
I should escape from studying I want to play like that playing coach.
Yeah, you will think about temporary things. Okay, now when you escape from study and go and play, what will happen?
My mother will read coach. I tell to prepare this topic. You didn't prepare. You are so ஏதோ சொல்லுவாங்களே. You are so irritating me. Like that she will tell
So she
coach.
will do that, right? But imagine, Rohit, whenever you are actually focusing on temporary happiness, it is going to give you permanent pain. Now, on the other hand, you can focus on temporary pain that will give you permanent of happiness. What is temporary pain? You're studying. That moment you're making up your mind to study.
Coach, that is permanent pain, coach.
Go studying.
Studying is
But after, when you get your mark, Rohit is first mark. He is a champion of the class. That time, how do you feel?
very proud, coach. My mother will tell, "Wah, போய் விளையாடு. இத்தனை நாள் அலைஞ்சல. Wah." Like that she will tell coach.
So that time you're very proud, right? That time you're so proud and happy. That is the permanent happiness. Got it?
Coach, coach, this mark I tell to my uncle and auntie. Like that they will tell, I do pura, they will tell, like that they will tell coach.
Yeah, they will all not believe because Rohit has done his job. Yes? But Rohit, imagine that, you are focusing on your temporary pain or your permanent pain for attaining permanent happiness. Now, what God really does is, God always focuses on how to be permanently happy. So if you want to attain God's happiness, Rohit, if you want to attain God's happiness, what should you do? Focus on what?
Focus on God.
Focus on good things. Choose good. Every moment you will choose good things. Right?
Yes, coach.
Amazing. So when you have a choice whether to sleep or play or study, what will you choose before an exam?
Playing and sleeping, coach.
You will choose playing and sleeping is temporary happiness.
Yes, coach. It will come. எப்பயாவது ஒரு தடவை தான் coach அதெல்லாம் வரும். Coach, but sleeping is permanent sleeping only, coach. All the night we should sleep.
That's not permanent. You're getting up in the morning, no?
Yes, coach.
It's temporary. But imagine, Rohit, imagine you are sleeping and playing before the exam and you have failed in the exam. What will happen? Is it temporary pain or permanent pain?
Temporary.
Can you change it? No. Can you change it? That time you failed cannot be changed at that moment, right? Maybe next exam you can do well, but that exam cannot be changed. That's a permanent scar, no? Got it? So every moment you have the choice of temporary happiness or permanent happiness. Rohit, if you want to become like God and help all the people, that is what you want, right? You want to be a wonderful dentist, give a lot of smiles to people. Yes?
Yes, coach.
Then what happens is, if you are going to be choosing the temporary happiness every moment, it is not going to help you in the long run. But if you chose your permanent happiness, for attaining permanent happiness, temporary pain will be there. You need to study. You need to do this work. You need to get up. You need to eat less.
Yes. It is
temporary pain. But in the long run, what it really gives, Rohit is going to be strong, built like a superstar. Everybody will say Rohit superstar. Yes?
Coach, somebody will, it is a six-pack. I should punch that like that.
Now,
Punch coach.
you will have a six pack now. We have a family pack, right?
Yes, coach.
Now we have a family pack. That time it will be six pack when you are very strong, made up your mind to do your daily routine, eat properly, healthy food, not junk food. Okay. And these are all like, temporarily you will feel the pain. But permanently, what you will feel?
Permanently, I should play. I should play.
Permanently you will later on what you will feel, how you will feel once you have done, permanent, once you have actually taken the chance to forego all these temptations you have. Okay. So இப்போ வந்து நீங்க சாப்பிடணும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க, இல்ல நான் வந்து ஹெல்தி ஃபுட் சாப்பிட்றேன், கொஞ்சமா சாப்பிட்றேன், ஐ வாண்ட் டு பி ஸ்ட்ராங் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு டெசிஷன் எடுத்து கொஞ்சமா சாப்பிடும் போது ஃபியூச்சர்ல நீங்க வந்து ஸ்ட்ரென்த்தா ஸ்ட்ராங்கா ஸ்டர்டியா இருக்கும் போது எல்லாரும் உன்னை வந்து ரோஹின் சூப்பர் ஸ்டார், கேன் ஐ பஞ்ச் யுவர் சிக்ஸ் பேக் அப்படின்னு சொல்லும் போது ஹவ் யூ ஃபீல்?
I'll feel angry, coach. Why are you punching my six pack?
Okay, let us not punch your six pack. Imagine they all are so like they're all coming and appreciating you, how you are so much, how you're so strong. Then what you will feel?
Eat vegetable very less, coach.
You will tell them all the techniques. How will you feel inside?
Inside, pasikide like that.
Will you feel happy or sad when
Happy,
they
coach. One side I'll be happy, one side I'll be hungry, coach. I'll be sad, coach.
Rohit, have you ever tried eating healthy?
Coach, I will try, coach, but the taste will not good, coach. So only I don't like that, and I will eat, coach. Those are like that.
Okay, so Rohin, imagine you are eating like this for years together, all junk food. You're only giving the taste to your tongue. Years together. Even when you grow up, how you will be?
Very fat.
Yes?
Yes, coach.
You'll be so fat. Will you be really happy seeing that? Now
No,
then
coach,
what
all
happened?
will tell big pustika. There.
Not only all, your son will come and punch you on your tummy. Yes?
Yes, coach.
Oh, my daddy, you have such a big tummy. Punch on your tummy.
Coach, I will. No, coach, I will
Will
not.
you be happy?
No,
Okay, so now think of that permanent happiness you want. You want to be like a role model for all people around you, right? You want to be a role model. So Rohit, you want to be a role model for all people around you. Then what should you choose now? What should your choice be like now? Should it be taste or health?
Health.
Yeah. So that is the smart choice Rohin can make to generate permanent happiness in his future.
Okay.
Do you understand, Rohin?
Understand, coach.
Okay. So now you know where God is, how to attain God's nature, okay?
Coach.
And what you need to do to attain it. You have any other questions?
Coach, I am having coach.
Do you have any other questions, Rohin?
Yes, coach, I am having one, coach.
Yes.
Coach, how do you control shouting?
Yeah.
All are shouting around you, and how will you control all the members to not shout?
Start. Yes, Rohin, you asked me a question.
Yes, coach, all are around you and shouting. How do you control, coach? You will tell on the mic, don't shout. Then also they are shouting means what do you tell, coach? how do you control the people to don't shout, don't shout?
Okay, Rohin, one thing that we can understand is we can say example, you are driving a car. Okay, you are driving a car. There are a lot of cars going fast beside you and behind you. Can you control the accelerator of any of those cars?
No, coach. அவங்க வந்து என்னோட காரை கூட எடுத்து தள்ளிட்டு போயிடுவாங்க. அவங்க பட்டன் கப்படாம போவாங்க coach.
Yeah, you cannot control. See, Rohit, one thing that you can control is your car, right? Can you control
Yes, coach,
your
I can control my car only, coach.
Can you like ensure that you are safe? Can you ensure that?
Yes, coach.
Yes,
So
you
all
drive your car
around
such that
me
you
and
are
go
safe.
fast.
Yeah, others will go fast. They are going fast or slow. It's okay. But can you ensure that you are safe by driving safe from your car? Okay, Rohin. Okay, Rohin, this is the thing. This is the point. There are, when you are driving your car, lot of cars are going side by side and lot of things are happening around you. It is not possible to control any other's cars when you are driving your car, right? All you can control is whose car. Whose car you can control.
My car only, coach.
Yeah, you can control your car only. So that
they
is
can control their cars and I
Yes.
should control cars, coach.
Yeah, they can control or they don't control is nothing to do with you. It's up to them, right? But you can ensure that you are safe, right?
Yes, coach.
So that is the point, Rohin. We cannot control anybody's car. We can only control our car. Similarly, if people are shouting at you, can you control them?
No, coach. I can ask, don't shout, don't shout.
You can control yourself. You can safeguard yourself. You can tell them that you tell me politely, I will listen to you. Yes.
Coach, I am safe only, coach, because I am following the rules. I will be safe, coach.
Yeah, you will be safe. That is more than enough, Rohin. That's more than enough. So when people are around you are shouting, they are telling Rohit, why are you like this? Why didn't you do this? Why are you causing so much of trouble for them? Blah, 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 shouting. What will you do?
I'll go from I will not there, coach. You are always scolding me. I will not hear, coach. And
okay, that is one way. That is called the way of flight, which means running away from that place. There is another way called fight, which means you are also raising voice and fighting with them. Okay, both are not useful. Flight also is not good. Fight also is not good.
Yes.
Okay, what is really good then?
Happy.
If you want to be happy and you want to ensure that all people around you are also happy.
Coach, their scolding means I should laugh means they'll go silently, coach.
No, you need not laugh at them. Their scolding means you understand them. Why they are scolding?
They'll solve my mistake and they will scold, coach.
Okay, if they did that, you need to then next step is going to be expressing. How to express? Say example, your mom thought that you did not do your homework and you went and played, and she's really screaming at you. Why you went and played without doing the homework? How many times I've told you that you should do your homework and go and play? And okay, you're hearing all that. Now, you understood the situation. She has misunderstood you, right? You have done your homework, but she did not see it. Okay, now in that case, when she is, when she is actually talking to you like that, what you will do? First thing is,
I'll do. I should. I tell I'm finished my homework. I should show the homework, coach.
yeah, then she will be happy. She's not going to, after that, raise her voice at all. Correct?
Correct.
Okay, so first thing what you will need to do is understand, try to understand why they're shouting or why they want to raise the voice to you. Second thing, you will express. Say example, you will tell them, Amma, you just tell me politely, I will understand. You can tell that to her. Okay? Or you can tell, Amma, if you are really shouting or raising your voice, I also get tense inside. You express what you feel.
Yes, coach.
Got it? And third thing is, you give them the assurance you're not going to repeat it later on. If the mistake is in your side, you need to apologize and give them a proper commitment that you will not do it again. Got it? If the mistake is not in your side, you will explain to them that the mistake is not in my side. That is all. As simple as that. Right?
Yes, coach.
Okay. So any other questions, Rohin?
Nothing, coach. No question.
So are you really happy doing this session?
Yes, coach. I am very happy, coach.
So share with us what is your key learning from the session.
Okay, coach.
What is the key learning?
Coach, I am having doubt, and the doubt I had asked the question, coach.
Yes.
You tell the answer, so I was happy, coach.
Oh, you had a doubt and I told the answer, you are happy. Now tell me, what is that learning you had from the session and what is that differently you're going to do from tomorrow?
Tomorrow, my mother shouted means, mother tell me politely. I will tell, coach.
Yeah.
I'm also having here. I will tell, coach.
Okay, and then what you will, okay, no need of the second sentence. You first sentence itself, your mom will be very happy about it. She will talk politely to you. Okay, no need the second sentence. What else? What else is a learning from today's session?
Coach, I learned so many things from you, coach. Like controlling angry and controlling shouting, like that, coach.
Okay. And you also learned about God, how to be like God. Okay, Rohin, from tomorrow you will choose permanent happiness or temporary happiness.
Permanent happiness.
How do you make that choice?
By
Say there are two things you need to do. You feel like playing, but there is also homework. Now, what will you choose?
I will do one homework and I will play half an hour, and I will do one homework. I will play like that.
Give a big round of
that means
applause.
it is,
Give a big round of applause.
I
Okay.
can
First you
do
need to
the
do
homework.
homework. Yeah. First you need to do homework. Take little bit of break. Come back to do the homework. Finish your whole homework. Then go and play. Okay. See,
Next permanent.
temporary happiness is also okay, provided you have done your duty. You have done all the things required for your permanent happiness. Then the leftover time you can do temporary happiness. No doubt about it. All right.
Yes, coach.
Is it clear?
Clear, coach.
Okay. Thank you, Rohin. Thank you so much for your time also. And my dear viewers, today we had Rohit. He wanted to actually ask me lots and lots of questions. So definitely I thought I'm going to be giving him an option of asking questions with me. And if you are also interested to be a part of Ask Dr. Purni series, please drop us a mail or put it in the comment section below so that we will get in touch with you, and also ensure that you are subscribing for our channel and liking and sharing our video so that you are getting regular updates from us. And meeting you, I'll definitely ensure that I'm going to be meeting you in the next Ask Dr. Purni series with one more amazing and interesting person who has lots and lots of questions for me. And till then, it is bye from Dr. Purni, your happiness and success coach.